Stop recording button.
The first warning on wxl46 has just been issued. Pretty huge.
3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Bourbon and Crawford, and the following counties in Missouri, Berry, Martin, Cedar, Dade, Jasper, Lawrence, McDonald. The current time,
As I said, a pretty
7
huge
p.m.
warning.
Central Daylight Time.
We're going to go through the whole cycle.
Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bourbon County, northeastern Crawford County, Martin County, Newton County, western Cedar County, McDonald County, western Berry County, Lawrence County, Vernon County, Jasper
Stop recording
County,
button.
western Dade County until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Coming out of Kansas.
Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Redfield to near Arcadia to near Monuments to Joplin to near Noel, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joplin, Pittsburgh, Carthage, Neosho, Webb City, Big Sugar Creek State Park, Prairie State Park, Roaring River State Park, Monette, Nevada, Fort Scott, Carl Junction, Limerick, El Dorado Springs, Frontenac, Castville, Galena, Oronogo, Seneca, Crabby. This includes the following highways: Interstate 44 between mile marker 0 and 42. Interstate 49 between mile markers 1 and 106. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Kansas and southwestern and west central Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Bourbon and Crawford, and the following counties in Missouri, Berry, Martin, Cedar, Dade, Jasper, Lawrence, McDonald, Newton, and Vernon. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 182, effective until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Greene, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, and Taney. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
A pretty big cluster of these
Tornado Watch
storms.
number 182 has been issued from 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Greene, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, and Taney. The current time is
YouTube now. New from